If you've been convicted of a misdemeanor or a felony in Arizona, unfortunately, there's no way of getting that conviction off of your record. And what we can do for a lot of our clients, especially the ASU clients who've been charged with minor consumption, minor possession of alcohol, fake ID, assault, and they were cited by the ASU Police Department and had a case at the University Lakes. If they went to court and they did not receive or participate in a diversion program and the case wasn't dismissed, and they have a conviction on their record, whether you pled guilty to the offense or you lived out of state, you submitted a check for the fine, which in a sense is pleading guilty, you now have a criminal conviction on your record. So when you're graduating from ASU and you're applying for your first career job, then you will have that conviction on your record, and your future employer will be able to find that. Although there's no way of getting the record dismissed, or sometimes people say expunged or sealed, in Arizona, what we can do is have that conviction set aside. So take that conviction off of your record. So potential employers will no longer see the conviction. We make the process very easy. We charge a flat fee. It's a nominal fee. If you live out of state or in state, we can process all the paperwork through email. Within the same day of us being hired, we'll file this application to have your conviction set aside by the court. The University Lakes generally takes about 2 to 3 weeks to rule on our motion, but when they do, we'll have an order from the court, from the Judge Kissel, saying that for good cause appearing, the conviction has been set aside, and then you will no longer have that conviction on your record. So it's always a very good idea to have your record cleaned up, because it could prevent you from gaining future employment. So for our ASU students who've gone to the University Lakes Justice Court and entered a guilty plea or paid a fine for underage drinking, minor possession of alcohol, any case at the University Lakes Justice Court aside from DUIs, we can have that conviction set aside. We can also do it if you were cited by the Tempe police and your case went to the Tempe court. So give me a call. Let's figure out how we can clean up your criminal history, and that way it doesn't prevent you from gaining future employment or applying for grad school. 602-980-1987. Let's work together and get that conviction set aside.